Back at the Big Dome, 5:46 na lang natitira sa ating third quarter. Barangay Ginebra showing signs of life. This shot inside by Slora, tough shot. Hatid sa atin ng DeWalt Power Tools, guaranteed tough. Still down by 18, however, itong Barangay Ginebra. Global Port trying to stay afloat, trying to keep some distance between them and the Gin Kings.
Yes, Ginebra must keep on persevering. It is not a lost cause for them, but they cannot be frustrated. Despite the fact that they're down 18 points, if dapat may mga goals ka na rito at the end of the third quarter, they should be only down by 10 points and so on and so forth. But the defense is definitely clicking for Barangay.
Third time in a row na at the last second na tumira itong Global Port. Ron J. Buenafe, another miss. Nung sagot ng Barangay Ginebra. Jumper from Japen. Can't get that from the left baseline. And Terence Romeo may tanga ng bola para sa mga batang Pierre. Titira from 15. And his shot bounces in. Kung ganun kamala si Japet on one side, it can't find its way into the hoop. Ito si Romeo naman, pasok na pasok. Risa, ano balita?
Nung huling timeout ni Coach Jeff Cariaso, ang sabi niya, the difference with our last two attempts or make that three na successful in offense was we were not hesitating, and that has been the story of the ball game. Ang sabi niya, you have to trust me on this. Don't look at the score again. Don't worry about it. But when you decide on something, huwag ka nang magpalit pa ng isip dahil kung nagpapalit pa nga ng isip last minute, dun sila nagkakamali. Charlie.
Maraming salamat once again, Riza Diaz. Well, hesitation has been there. Saka that's a second thought sila sa mga ginagawa nila dahil nga it was very unsuccessful in the entire first half. So you second guess yourself, I suppose.
Yes, that is correct. But on that particular layup of Ellis, he was just dead set. He will attack that basket. He will attack the defense of Yancy De Ocampo. But on the other side naman, nakashoot si Yancy De Ocampo. For Ginebra, again, they cannot be frustrated. Ang importante rito, makakuha sila ng mga 6 points in a row for them to get back in this ball game.
Sabi ni LA, sige, 3 muna, 3. Mamaya na yung 6. Unahin natin yung 3. That's a 3 from LA Tenorio. No hesitation once again as properly called by Coach Jeff Cariaso. Down to 17. 4 minutes sakto natitira sa atin third quarter. Romeo losing it. Tenorio tries to pick it up but saves it to the wrong fellow. Terence Romeo pumunta sa kanto. Cross court to Cabagnot. Punta kay Semerad. Likes it from there. Pangatlong tres na for the rookie from San Beda.
This guy is making the shots that are so important for more separation for Global Port. It's actually his third 3-point shot of the ball game and a total of 11 for Semera.
Grabe nga yung timing ng mga tira niya, no? Diba? Kung kailan bababa na ng konti, yun, tira ng tres. Kung kailan hirap na ang Global Port, he gets it and now naka-rebound pa siya. Cabagnot. Semerad, one more. Sweet check yun, partner. Masyadong swerte na kung pumasok pa yun. Here they go the other way. Joseph Yo wants to attack. Goes around the defense of Cabagnot. They need to share a backcourt with Petron.
Oh, that's a nice move. That's just great ball handling skills for Romeo, and the defense of LA just gave up on that particular play.